Hi students, today I am going to discuss about 5th standard science subject in term 2 lesson 3 plants. In last class we have studied about the dispersal of seeds. The dispersal of seeds, they have wind, water, animals, birds and self-dispersal method. In previous class already studied about wind and water. Let us see the remaining topics: dispersal by animals, dispersal by birds and self-dispersal method. Before the topic, what do you mean by dispersal of seeds? Spreading of seeds from one place to another place with the help of agents like water, animals, birds is also known as dispersal of seeds. Let us brief about the dispersal in animals, dispersal by birds and self-dispersal method. Dispersal by animals. Its other name zooxory. The seeds are light and are sticky or provided with hooks. Some plants produce fleshy edible fruits that are dispersed through the waste excreted by the animals. Human travelers also carry some seeds with them. Many plants depend on animals for seed dispersal. They may offer a nutritional reward. Animals learn to recognize ribboned fruit colors, fleshy fruits eaten and dispersed with feces. Seeds with sticky hairs, bristles, hooks or pops are transported by sticking to the fur of animals or on the clothing of human beings. Birds and other animals eat the fleshy fruits and discard the seeds, or they may eat both, but the seeds are not digested and are passed out with their dropping. Again, dispersal by animals. Some fruits have hooks, spines, bristles, stiff hair, etc. on the outer coat. These fruits stick on the furry coats or skins of some animals and are carried from one place to another. For example, Exanthium. Next type, dispersal by birds. While eating fruits like tomato, guava, birds eat seeds also along with the edible portion and they are passed out in the excrete later. These types of seeds are protected from the digestive juices by their seed coat. Birds eat fleshy fruits and distribute the seeds with their waste. The hard testa products the embryo in the seed while it is inside the animal. Jeracy fruit, bittersweet. Seedy bulb is eaten by birds when the ripe fruit splits open. Once again, in this type of seeds are protected from the digestive juice by their seed coat. Next method, self-dispersal method, autochory. Plants disperse their seeds by forceful ejection. Explosive fruits. Self-dispersal method. In this type of dispersal, the fruit may explode, releasing the seeds, or may contain a trip mechanism that when stimulated release the seeds. By beans itself. Plants disperse their seeds on their own. They disperse seeds by bursting with a sudden jerk. Loud sounds can be produced too during their dehiscence. The process may also be termed as explosive mechanism. Some fruits disperse their seeds in the wind through an explosive mechanism and spread them. For example, lady's finger and balsam. Next one, germination of seeds. Next one, germination of seeds. The seed is a fertilized ovule. It consists of embryo, food materials which are protected by the seed coat. During favorable conditions, the seed germinates and gives rise to a new seedlings. The seed is a fertilized ovule. It consists of embryo, food materials which are protected by the seed coat. During the early stages of germination, the seedlings get the food required for its growth from the cotyledons. After the food stored in the cotyledons has been used up, the seedlings gets its food from the soil. The seedlings absorbs water and nutrients from the soil with the help of its roots. It develops leaves and grows into a plant. This is the process of germination of seeds. I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening, students.